Hello, my name is Javier Sanchez Martinez. In this video, I am going to talk about what I intend to do in the future when I'm finished my study. What I'm going to do in the future. I'm going to working. I am probably going to keep working in the same company, but I going to get myself a better job. I going to travel. I going to travel and get to know new place. I going to enjoy my family and give myself the time to walk. I going to be responsible. I am also going to be responsible in the work and give my best every day so that I can always contribute something to the company. I can learn new things and new knowledge. Thank you. Excellent.